foods and nutrients to eat for beautiful skin. Water. Want moist skin? Drink water. Moist skin helps fine lines and wrinkles look less visible. Try to drink 8 glasses a day. Water in fruits, juice, vegetables and milk will count toward the 8. Blueberries. Fitness magazine reported that blueberries rank number is one of the oxidant activity according to the U.S. Department of Agriculture. Their antioxidants protect against premature aging. Antioxidants are important to slow and prevent free radical damage, wrote WebMD. Free radicals damage cells and break down collagen, leading to fine lines. Find antioxidants in apricots, beans, beets, berries, peppers, spinach, squash, and tangerines. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is also a super antioxidant. It helps heal blemishes and produce collagen, which strengthens the skin's capillaries. Good sources are black currants, blueberries, broccoli, guava, kiwis, oranges, and papaya. Strawberries. Strawberries have more vitamin C per serving than an orange. Research reported in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who eat vitamin C-rich foods have fewer wrinkles and less age-related dry skin than those who do not. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, another antioxidant that fights aging. Vitamin E. Vitamin E protects against cell damage and promotes healthy skin cells. Vitamin E-rich foods include almonds, avocado, hazelnuts, and pine nuts, as well as sunflower and corn oils. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids help skin's natural oil barrier to block acne and dryness, which leaves skin smoother and younger looking, according to WebMD. They are found in olive oil, flax seeds, walnuts, sardines, and mackerel. Wild salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3s. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are the best source of the antioxidant lycopene. Lycopene is a powerhouse in the fight against free radicals. Green tea. Called skin's magic potion, green tea is filled with inflammation-fighting antioxidants and may slow DNA damage. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate helps hydrate skin and protects against sun damage. Choose chocolate with a high flavanol content and that contains at least 60% cacao. Pumpkin. Pumpkin has carotenoids, which are wrinkle-fighting plant pigments that quash free radicals and keep skin hydrated. It is also filled with vitamins A, C, and E. Selenium. Selenium is another powerful antioxidant charged with protecting skin from free radicals. Good sources are Brazil nuts, broccoli, eggs, fish, shellfish, tomatoes, and wheat germ. Olive oil. Olive oil's antioxidants disarm free radicals and reduce inflammation to soften skin. Zinc. Zinc helps the sebaceous glands function in the skin. They produce oil, repair skin damage, and keep skin soft and supple. Zinc-rich foods include fish, lean red meat, nuts, oysters, poultry seeds, and whole grains.